Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how I work the purled cable cast on. And for this cast on technique we will cast on stitches here at the beginning of a row. And in this case I am beginning this at the beginning of a wrong side row. Now to get started I actually do it a bit differently just for the first stitch, and that's to avoid creating a hole here when we are going to start working back and forth. So just for the first stitch, I cast it on by going purlwise through the back loop of the first stitch on the left hand needle. I purl it, and then without dropping the stitch from the left hand needle, we just draw a loop like this, and with the left hand needle we go under to put this stitch on our needle. So this is the first cast on stitch, and now we're going to start using the cable cast on for the rest of the stitches. So to do so, you want to take your right hand needle and insert it from back to front between the two first stitches on the left hand needle. Now we will purl, pull up the loop like this, and again go from under and pull like that. So I will continue going this way until I have the number of stitches cast on for my size in the pattern that I am following. Once you're done casting on all the stitches indicated for your size, we'll just purl across these until you reach the stitch here that is mounted on the needle the wrong way. And I'll show you what to do at this point. So of course at this point follow the instructions in the pattern. So for me I just need to purl all the way to the end. Alright, so I've now reached the stitch here that is mounted the wrong way, so it has the left leg in the front. So we're just going to purl it normally through the front leg here. That's going to twist the stitch. So I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done working my row. I'll show you what it looks like on the right side. So this is what it looks like on the right side, and you can see just here that we have a twisted stitch, which is what we want to kind of close the hole here that would otherwise be created in the fabric.